my goodness.
Whew, that's a little embarrassing for the other, the other blender. It didn't do very well.
I don't want to have to stick something into the blender to get it to do what it's supposed to do. I'd like it to just do the job right away.
I would much rather have the KitchenAid.
That KitchenAid blender pulverized the orange within seconds.
I'm not really surprised. We have all KitchenAid stuff and it works great.
I'd have to choose the KitchenAid just because you don't have to do anything else. You just hit power and go.
KitchenAid, hands down.
That was fantastic. Unbelievable.